This is how I used to sow my seeds in these 72 cell trays. The problem with these is that they get algae no matter what, and some cells won't get any water and others are going to be saturated. I didn't want to get into soil blocking either for a number of reasons, too messy being the biggest. So I bought these seed starting pots by Bootstrap Farmer, and what a game changer. They come in a bunch of different colors, black being the cheapest, and they're food safe and really sturdy. This is a 4 cell and a 6 cell for comparison. They have these slits on the side of each of the cell and a really nice big drain hole on the bottom. This is going to naturally air prune the roots, which is great because then it'll force the plant to develop a really strong root system. For comparison, these violas were planted in the 72 cell tray, and these ones were planted in the bootstrap tray. What a difference! They're growing really evenly and they're super healthy. So when it's time to take the seedling out, this is going to make it really easy to just push it up with your finger and it'll pop right out without damaging the roots. Look how healthy these are, and there's no circling. I found that the soil stays pretty moist and it's not wet, and the nutrients are evenly taken up by the plants. I can't say enough good things about these trays. Epic Gardener also sells a similar style, and I'm sure you can find cheaper ones out there too. The best prices I've found are at Indoor Farmer for Canadians, and if you're elsewhere, you can probably buy them directly from the manufacturer. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to help my channel out. Thanks for watching.